Ryan, remember when we used to spend hours studying English and barely improved?
Oh yeah, grammar books, vocabulary lists, boring exercises. I'd study 3 hours and forget everything the next day.
Then we discovered something that changed everything, a 7-minute daily routine that works better than hours of traditional study.
And the best part? It's so simple that anyone can start today. Let's break down these 7 minutes.
Minute 1. Speak out loud in English. I literally talk to myself about anything.
What do you say in 1 minute?
Today I said, "Okay, Emma, it's morning. I need to make breakfast. Should I have eggs or cereal? I think eggs sound good. Where did I put the pan?"
Just narrating your thoughts and actions?
Exactly. Your mouth needs practice forming English sounds. 1 minute daily trains your speaking muscles.
Minute 2. Read one paragraph of something interesting, not textbooks.
I read news articles, Reddit posts, blog entries about topics I care about. Today, I read about new technology.
One paragraph takes 1 minute, and you're exposing your brain to natural English sentence structures.
Yes, and reading interesting content means you actually pay attention. Minute 3. Write 3 sentences.
Just 3? That's it?
That's it. Could be about your day, your thoughts, what you learned. Today, I wrote, "I learned a new word today. The weather is perfect. I'm excited about my project."
Writing forces you to construct sentences properly. 3 sentences daily builds writing confidence quickly.
Minute 4. Listen to 60 seconds of English. A song, podcast clip, news segment, YouTube video.
I listen to 1 minute of an English podcast every day. I don't worry about understanding everything.
The goal is ear training. Your brain learns to recognize English sounds and rhythms even when you don't consciously understand every word.
Minute 5. Learn one new word or phrase in context.
Not from vocabulary lists, from real content you consumed that day.
Today I learned crunch time from a video. It means a critical period when you're under pressure to finish something.
Perfect example. You learned it in context, so you know how to use it naturally.
Minute 6. Review yesterday's word or practice. Repetition is key to retention.
I look at the word I learned yesterday and make a new sentence with it. This moves words from short-term to long-term memory.
Without review, you forget 80% of what you learn within 24 hours. 1 minute of review locks it in.
Minute 7. Reflect and plan. What did you practice today? What will you focus on tomorrow?
This is powerful. As you cook, clean, get dressed, describe what you're doing in English.
I'm opening the fridge. I'm taking out the milk. I'm pouring it into a glass.
Your brain learns to process actions directly in English, building automatic language pathways.
Step 3. Think simple thoughts in English first, then gradually increase complexity.
Don't start with philosophical debates. Begin with basic observations.
I'm tired. It's raining. I need coffee. Simple present tense thoughts.
Once these become automatic, add details. I'm feeling really tired today because I didn't sleep well.
Gradually, your brain learns to construct more complex English thoughts without translation.
Step 4. Use English for your inner monologue during specific activities.
I chose one daily activity where I'll think only in English, my morning routine.
I chose my workout time. While exercising, all my thoughts are in English.
Okay, 5 more push-ups. Come on, you can do it. Almost done.
By limiting it to one activity, it's manageable. Then expand to more activities over time.
Step 5. When you don't know a word, describe it in English instead of translating.
This is crucial. Your translation habit gets stronger every time you look up a word in your language.
Instead, describe what you mean using English words you already know.
Forgot the word refrigerator? Say, the cold box in the kitchen where we keep food.
A native speaker might say, "Oh, the fridge," and you've learned the word through English.
This keeps your brain in English mode instead of switching back to your native language.
Step 6. Practice having conversations with yourself in English.
This sounds weird, but it works. Create both sides of a conversation.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Pretty good. What are you up to today?
You're training your brain to respond in English automatically without planning each word.
Step 7. Change your phone, computer, and social media to English.
This forces constant English exposure. Every notification, every menu, every button is in English.
At first, it's confusing, but after a week, you adapt and your brain stays in English mode more.
Now let's talk about the timeline. How long does it take to stop translating?
It depends on consistency. With daily practice, most people notice changes within 2 weeks.
The first week is hard. Your brain resists because translation feels safer and more comfortable.
Week 2, you'll catch yourself thinking simple thoughts in English without trying.
Week 3 and 4, English thinking becomes more natural for familiar topics and routines.
After a month of consistent practice, you'll think in English for about 30 to 40% of the time.
After 3 months, maybe 70 to 80% for everyday topics. Complex or emotional topics might still trigger translation.
The goal isn't 100% English thinking. Even that's not realistic. The goal is natural English thinking for most situations.
Let's address common struggles. My brain keeps switching back to my language.
This is normal. When you're tired, stressed, or talking about complex topics, your brain reverts to what's comfortable.
Don't fight it. Acknowledge it, then gently redirect back to English. Okay, let me think about this in English.
I don't know enough words to think in English.
You know more than you think. Start with the words you do know, even if it's simple.
I want food is English. It doesn't need to be, I'm experiencing hunger and desire sustenance.
Simple English is still English. Complexity comes later.
I keep forgetting and translating without realizing it.
Set reminders. Phone alarms every 2 hours saying, "Are you thinking in English?"
This awareness check helps you notice when you've slipped back into translation mode.
Thinking in English feels slow and exhausting.
It is at first. Your brain is building new pathways. It's like learning to write with your non-dominant hand.
But just like writing practice, it gets faster and easier with repetition.
Now, let's share our breakthrough moments when English thinking clicked.
Mine happened during a dream. I suddenly realized I was dreaming entirely in English.
That's amazing. Dreams show what your subconscious is processing.
When I woke up, I realized my brain had been practicing English even while I slept.
My breakthrough was during an argument. I was frustrated and started thinking my angry thoughts in English automatically.
That's significant. Emotions usually trigger native language because they're so connected to your first language.
But I was genuinely thinking, this is so frustrating, not translating it. My brain chose English naturally.
These breakthrough moments show that English thinking is becoming automatic, not forced.
Let's give practice exercises people can do right now.
Exercise 1. Describe this video in English without stopping for 30 seconds. Just keep talking.
Exercise 2. Look at a photo and describe everything you see for 1 minute. No pausing, no translating.
Exercise 3. Have an imaginary phone call in English, both sides. Hello? Hi, how are you? Keep going for 2 minutes.
Exercise 4. Narrate your next meal preparation entirely in English, every single step.
Exercise 5. Before bed, replay your day in English. Today, I woke up, then
These exercises train your brain to access English directly, not through translation.
One powerful technique, immerse yourself in English thought triggers.
What are thought triggers?
Environmental cues that automatically make you think in English, like I put English quotes on my walls.
Every time I see them, I read them in English and it triggers English thinking mode.
I listen to English podcasts during my commute. By the time I arrive, my brain is in English mode for the day.
Create your environment to support English thinking. Posters, screensavers, sticky notes with English phrases.
The more English surrounds you, the more naturally your brain stays in English mode.
Final advice, be patient with yourself. This is a major cognitive shift.
You're literally rewiring your brain. That takes time and consistent effort.
Some days will feel great. English flows easily. Other days, you'll struggle. Both are normal.
The trend over time is what matters, not any single day's performance.
Celebrate small victories. Cut yourself thinking a whole sentence in English. That's progress.
All right, everyone, here's your challenge for this week.
Choose one daily activity where you'll practice thinking only in English. Morning routine, cooking, exercising, anything.
Do that activity every day for 7 days, forcing English thoughts the entire time.
Comment below which activity you chose and share any breakthrough moments that happen.
Remember, fluency isn't about perfection. It's about thinking and responding naturally.
See you in the next video.
Stop translating, start thinking.